Thank you for stopping by my office, Mrs. Johnson. I have some very good news for you. We were able to approve your loan modification.
Good. What does that mean?
It means you will not lose your home. You, your husband, your 8 children, your parents, your grandparents, your 3 dogs, and your Uncle Rambo will get to stay in the house. But you will have to start paying us again.
About time. What took so long?
I'm sorry we didn't get it done sooner. We have been very busy with modification requests, since nearly half of our customers have stopped making their mortgage payments.
What is my new payment? How much did you lower it?
Not only did we add the taxes and insurance to the monthly amount, but we were still able to lower your payment by $1,000 per month.
What the hell are you talking about? I thought you were going to help me. That doesn't help me at all.
I'm sorry you feel that way, Mrs. Johnson, but your payment was difficult to lower because you were already paying less than the interest at a 1% teaser rate. If you don't mind my asking, what the hell did you expect?
I expected a fixed rate at 1%, like I requested on my application. And what do you mean when you say I was paying less than interest?
It means that if you were Snow White living in a freaking fairy tale land, and the 7 dwarfs built you a house made from trees they found in the forest, you still wouldn't have a payment as low as the one you stopped making on this house 2 years ago.
It's not my fault I couldn't pay. It's the bank's fault.
What in the name of all that's holy do you mean?
I was never told how this piece of crap loan worked.
Did you bother to read the terms of the loan before you signed your life away?
No.
Did you think to ask your mortgage broker or a real estate agent to explain the terms of the loan?
No.
Did you do any research whatsoever to see if you could afford a $2 million house on a school teacher's salary?
No. But you are just as much to blame. You should not have lent $2 million to a school teacher.
I see. I'm looking at a copy of your original loan application, and it says on here that your husband owns a chain of Taco Bells and makes over $1 million a year. You both signed this application. Did you know this?
No, I already told you we didn't read any of the documents. The broker must have put that on there. You forced us to take this loan. We didn't have a choice.
How in the world did we do that? Did we drive you around to look at houses you couldn't afford? Did we fill out your loan application? Did we sign your name on the purchase contract?
No, but everyone says the banks are to blame. I saw it on the news, and my neighbors told me the banks screwed them too. All we wanted was a piece of the American dream, and the banks took advantage of us.
So you don't think you share even a little responsibility?
No. Am I responsible for my home value dropping by 35%?
No, but I don't see how that's relevant.
I shouldn't have to pay on a loan that is more than what my house is worth.
And why the hell is that? Can you show me in the Constitution where it says that? Is there a clause in your loan documents that says the amount you owed would go down if the property value declined?
No, but it's not fair for me to pay more than what something is worth.
Okay, fine. Can you pay for it now?
What do you mean?
You said you don't want to pay more than what the home is worth. Can you write me a check for what the house is worth today?
No. But my loan is not due for another 25 years.
Do you know what the house will be worth in 25 years?
No.
Then how can you say you are paying more than what the home is worth? You don't know what the value of the home will be when you have finished paying it off, so you can't know whether or not you will have paid more than it's worth.
But I owe more than it's worth now. That's the bank's fault. Why did you add a balloon payment? I don't want that.
Adding the balloon was the only way to get the monthly payment down to $3,000 on a $2 million loan.
But I don't want a balloon payment. I want a fixed rate with no balloon.
But if we remove the balloon option, your monthly payment will increase by over $3,000.
I don't want that.
Then you must take the loan with the balloon payment. You will have to refinance the loan before it becomes due.
Okay, fine. I will refinance in a couple of years.
Okay, but keep in mind that jumbo rates are about 5.5%, and we're giving you 2%. And with the balloon lowering your payment another $3,000, you would have to get a bank to lend you $2 million at 0% interest, and the payment still wouldn't be this low. At the market rate, your payment will more than triple.
Okay, fine. I will wait longer to refinance. But why are you increasing my balance? I shouldn't have to pay more than what I agreed to pay when I took out the loan.
Your balance is going up because you haven't made a mortgage payment since Bush was in the White House. We are required to put the arrearages into your loan balance.
Why can't you forgive those payments?
Why should we forgive them?
Because I don't want to pay them. The past few years have been very hard for us. I had to pay for a boob job, a facelift and a tummy tuck, all in the last year. We have 3 car payments, each over $700. We have a boat, a Harley and 2 wave runners, that we almost had to sell. My husband's income has only increased by 10% in the last 3 years. That barely covers the increase in cost of living expenses, not to mention our terribly irresponsible spending habits. Our 18-year-old dog, Puddles, had to have brain surgery, which set us back $10,000. We have only been able to take 4 vacations in the last 2 years, and now you want to take 2 years' worth of missed mortgage payments and put them back into our loan? I don't know how you people sleep at night. There should be laws against this type of thing. It's people like you that give capitalism a bad name.
That's it. I can't take this anymore. Trying to explain this to you is like teaching a room full of kittens the theory of relativity. Do you want the freaking modification, or not?
Well, I guess you give me no choice. Give me the paperwork and I'll talk to my husband and Uncle Rambo about this. But first, let me speak with your manager.